Hi friend, if you sync the car charger and the camera can't work, please contact like this. First you need the power. This can be work. Use the car charger. Connect it. Like this. Work. Close. Work. Yes. Use this.